two new ways to shut down your computer in just 2 seconds. The first way is from your keyboard, press on Alt and F4. Press these two keys together. You will end up by this window. Select the type of action you'd like to apply or you'd like to be applied. I'm okay with shutdown, and then click on OK. But in my case, I'm going to click on cancel to show you the second way to shut down your computer in 2 seconds. Click on new. From your new, click on shutdown or shortcut. I'm sorry. From shortcut, type this shutdown slide to shutdown.exe. I'm going to type it. Yes, slide to shutdown.exe. Then next, finish. Now double click on this shortcut. Once you double click on it, you will end up by this slide down, and ta-da, it is shutting down in just 2 seconds. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.